Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ubak po Lyngdoh belong menteri buat unong aiktian jok sorkar jila haga santri kolan kon araja upsau ula ong baka sorkar kampat yo aktian AA na kasengkeng atiar Neutrap National Liberation Council bakala wengno ya Jingïakren Ïasuk baka sorkar jila lembat ke sorkar India haga Jingïakren bagi lap thai kubor ubak po Lyngdoh ula kentu ya ke Hnlc bakam de setia ban wengno ya Jingïakren Ïasuk namar baka Jingïakren kandang hab ban telun haki bebuan kiwat Hakajuk opor loy thuru batang suan phai menteri rangba ka jela konat kongkal sangma bat usembut menteri rangba ubape yakat nat kampo yeng uba prestun tensong syapo ka jela sorkar kan seshim khia bani kran sani halor kan ni jingshim rai kan san jong ka Hnlc.
Well, we have only seen those reports in the media, but officially nothing has been communicated to us as well. So first I would appeal to the Hnlc not to pull out of the peace talks because a lot of ground has been covered initially, and we would hope that good sense will prevail and we should be able to return to the negotiating table. Well, since both the Chief Minister and the Home Minister are out of station, I will not be in a position to say much. But certainly, government will take a call on the matter, and it should be happening very soon, once the CM is back. Once the Honorable CM and Deputy CM in charge home are in town, this will be a priority matter. Well, it certainly can be considered depending on the gravity of each of the cases registered. But certainly, yes, it should be and it will be considered. Yeah. See, those are matters of detail, but in general, the approach should be that when you have peace talks, it should not be to the detriment of any section and to the interest of only one section. So it has to be reciprocal. Based on the principle of reciprocity, then only we can take a stand on matters of detail. But the general approach would be that has to be effective.